So in the beginning, what problems were you trying to solve?
We're solving two main problems. Our brokerage suffered from shiny tool syndrome. So we would, for about 15 years, we would grab technology off the shelf and try and implement it within the company. Nothing talked to each other. Nothing was in the same language even. So,
Like a lot of companies.
Totally. So we wanted to build a platform that everything connected to. So our CMA connects to our CRM, connects to our postcard program. So that was one main issue for us. The second was that we were coaching, for the last 6-7 years, we were coaching the Ninja Principles that has a sales methodology attached to it. And what we wanted to do was build technology that tied into that same sales methodology. So when we're training, we're solving all those same issues through all aspects of what our agents were touching.
So how's that working out?
It's working out well. We've seen a lift in business. I was just looking at the numbers. I think we're up about 38%.
Wow.
Yeah, it's huge. We're doing 13.9 transactions across 6,500 agents. So it's been a huge lift for us.
That's a lot of money.
It's a lot of money.
So a lot of change. So how hard it is to continually upgrade and transition the technology?
Seriously, it's a complete pain in the ass.
It is. It always is.
It always
is. But
Yeah.
it's something you got to do.
Yeah, something you got to do. And the good part about Moxi was that we started at the base level. So it's get your names into a database, right? Something that they have to do for their everyday business. So
Standard operating procedure.
Absolutely. And it's not only about, it's just a pain to change platforms. So once you have it all on one platform and it all talks to each other, it's way easier.
Yeah, but no pain, no gain.
Totally, absolutely.
So I want to ask you about culture. So how does the Moxi platform help with the brokerage culture?
Well, when everybody's making more money, that's a good culture.
That's a good cut. No, I mean, that does help. I mean,
Yeah,
it puts everybody in a different mood, right?
It does.
All right. But what are the other practical ways that you can use that MoxiWorks and the platform to be able to develop something that's right for your business?
If an agent knows that a manager is paying attention, they feel support. And the agent has a business planning tool that they can roll out, and the manager will help them succeed. It helps the culture of the whole office. If everybody's using the platform through their database and through their mail programs and all the rest, they have commonality with the technology, so it helps the culture. Having it on one platform with a set tools that work and aren't dysfunctional, people aren't coming to us and saying, oh, our technology department is horrible.
And it probably helps if you start to have some changeover to have people using the system so you know what's there when you need to look at it.
It makes it, honestly, it makes it harder for someone to leave. When they have all of their database inputted in, they're used to using the system, it's really easy and intuitive. How hard is it for them to go somewhere else?
Well, and the other piece of it, as opposed to, say, another platform, technology platform, this is really aimed at that broker and aimed at the business.
Absolutely, and I don't want to switch another platform.
So everything needs to have customer support. So tell me about MoxiWorks customer support.
Yeah, you know, I think about 5 years ago when we started down this road, our customer support was not great, and we routinely heard problems around it. They'd call for, hey, my phone doesn't work. And our tech support would be like, yeah, sorry, it's not our product. And MoxiWorks made a concerted effort about that time, about 4 years ago, to really make customer service a priority. And I think it's the cornerstone to a great company. You know, I hate calling on the phone and press 1, press 2. You know, it just frustrates me.
So tell me how it works with MoxiWorks customer support. I pick up the phone, give you a call, online, how's it work?
Absolutely, they have a FAQ section, so you can self-diagnose and help. They have videos.
So I don't even have to call you.
No, not at all. Hopefully you don't, you know, if it's all working perfectly, you don't.
Which a lot of people do that.
Yeah.
I'm typically one of those people that would probably pick up the phone and call, as opposed to someone who's a little bit younger who looks for the answers in the question.
Totally.
So you take both sides, and what else?
All
How's
of it.
work?
We have video presentation tools, so the how and the why. We have documents, so PDFs on exactly how and why. And then most importantly, we have in customer service over the phone where they will sit with them until the problem's fixed. So it's the whole package.
So what advice would you have for a broker that's rolling out the technology?
I think the first bit of advice was go slow. Pick the point in which is the easiest part for the agent to adopt. And for us, that happened to be inputting their names and contacts into the database.
The basic stuff.
It's the basic stuff.
So crawl.
Crawl, absolutely. The second thing is understand the why. Okay, the how is the easiest part of the whole thing, but conveying the why to their agent base is the most important thing. If they can see the value of ease of use, connectivity to their clients, and the fact that it's going to earn them more money, then it should become a no-brainer.
So in understanding the why, they'll do a better job at getting the job done.
They'll believe it,
Yeah.
right? If they understand the why and they believe that, then it's easy.
So that's the walk portion, crawl, walk, and now run.
Run
What
is
is
just
it-
make money.
Making money, big systems, and adding scale, because that's what you're also doing, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
So how do you add the scale to it?
Well, for us, again, it was start slow. So we had each agent, we helped input their database. Okay, currently I think we have about 2.5 million names in our database.
It's a lot of names.
It's incredible. I mean, when you have that kind of power in a large scale system, it equates to a ton. So let me put it to you in a little bit different terms. 5 years ago, okay, we did about 60,000 transactions. We had about 6,000 agents. Today, we have about 6,500 agents and we did 83,000 transactions. So on a large scale basis, this is killing it for us.
So a lot of improvement very quickly.
Absolutely.